Hello students, and welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing an island range hood. So what we have here is from Z-Line. It is a GL14i. It's 36 inches wide. It's going to go over a 30-inch drop-in. So that will allow for it to grab all the smoke and grease that gets kicked up from our delicious cooking. Now with this unit, it comes with a telescoping chimney. So this will allow for us to get the exact height we want from this. So we'll mount the ceiling mounting bracket. Off of this will be angle iron brackets. We'll slide on the chimneys and then mount the hood beneath that. So the first step, like I said earlier, is going to be installing the ceiling bracket. So we have our range top here, we have our center. So we're going to install this guy with 4 screws. Once this is installed, we're going to get measurements to find out exactly where the island is going to sit. So you'll always want to measure the height before you order a range hood. So in this instance, it's actually 7 feet from the ceiling to the top of the range. So the 2 chimney pieces that came with the range hood aren't going to do the justice. We'll actually need an extension piece for it. Looking at these angle iron brackets, it looks like these actually line up. That's actually not correct. The shorter piece, this actually mounts to that ceiling bracket at the top. All of these allow you to get the exact height you'll need for your island range hood. For ours, we had to order 2-piece extensions to allow for the height, as the ceiling from the range hood was 7 feet. Now we have our 4 angle iron brackets at the exact height that we need. So now I'm going to take them. This part down here will actually mount to the hood itself, whereas the top will mount to the ceiling bracket up here. So we have all 4 angle iron brackets. Now we need to drop our power line, get the ducting hooked up, slide the chimneys on, and install the hood. The hoods come with the 3-prong plug. So ideally, you'd have up in the crawl space or the attic, you'd have an outlet you can plug this guy into. Sometimes that's not always the case. So what we're going to do is actually have a power cord here. We're going to cut this guy open. We're going to hardwire it. There's mounting holes at the top that are going to mount to the ceiling mounting bracket. So the angle iron brackets actually slide inside of the chimney. We have our hood ready to go now. We're almost on the last step. We have it hardwired, we have the ducting ready to go, and our chimney is in place. What we're going to do next is lift up the range hood, connect our ducting to the hood itself, and then lift up the hood further to get it mounted into here, and this chimney will slide down to hide these mounting brackets. Alright, so I actually have 2 helpers here with me today. They're going to help me lift up this range hood. We're going to get the ductwork installed, lift up the hood, and get it installed into the angle iron bracket. There's actually a top and a bottom. You're going to want to use every single screw you can, just for stability and for safety. All the screws in. What I'm going to do now is our last and final step. Is basically just make sure there's no ductwork or cords out there. Slide the chimney on down. And now we have ourselves a beautiful island range hood.